It's Friday.
You're watching Angelica on Fantastical Ponies.
Enjoy?
Hello, so apparently this week is Weird Noises and Faces Week or something. I don't really know. I don't really know what to talk about because I don't really have that many weird noises for you. But, so I'm just gonna kind of come up with some right now. Well, I know that I can make farting noises with my hands. Wait, it's not working very well. I can do that. This isn't really a thing that I can do, but a thing that I do a lot. With my friends, we always go, "Meow." Actually it doesn't really sound like that, it's more like, "Meow." Which is something that Tobuscus does. I don't really watch Tobuscus, but we pick that up and do that a lot. I don't really make weird noises at all, really. So why don't we take a look at some random noises around this room. Yeah. One that I used to make a lot as a kid. This isn't a noise, but I just randomly found this in my room. It's a ba-bomb. Well, I was very unprepared for that video, which isn't really normal for me because normally I always have like a whole thing prepared. Yeah, I'm still holding the ba-bomb. So because I don't want this video to be like really short and risk it being under 2 minutes and therefore getting a punishment, I guess I'll just talk about the next few weeks, basically what's going to happen. Next week, Friday, the actual day that I'm going to be uploading my video, is my birthday. Yay! March 2nd. This weekend, actually, me and my friends are going to Mandarin, the buffet, and we're gonna have a little party. Yeah. And also one of my other friends' birthdays is on the 5th, so it's kind of a joint birthday party. And it's gonna be our Sweet 16. And the week after that is on the 9th. We're leaving to go a day early before the March break, because March break starts on the 10th, or spring break, whatever you call it. We are going to Cuba on the 9th, so yeah, that's kind of a day that I'm supposed to upload a video, so I don't know if I'll be able to get a video up there, up then. I guess I'll just not make a video if that's okay. And then the week after that, I don't know if I'll get a video up. I mean, I'll be home by then, but I don't think I'll have had time during the week to make a video, unless, I don't know, I think I might get back on the Thursday and I could film the day before or the day of. We'll see. I might even be able to show some footage if I get any when we're there, so that will be cool. So, bye!